is the UREVO 2-in-1. The UREVO 2-in-1 folding treadmill is a game-changer for those seeking a versatile and efficient home workout solution. With its innovative design, this treadmill serves as both a walking pad and a running machine, providing users with the flexibility to choose their preferred exercise mode. The 17-inch widened running belt ensures a comfortable and stable running or walking experience, while the 5-layers non-slip belt and built-in silica gel column support reduce shock impact. I particularly appreciate the one-screen display of exercise data, which allows me to easily track my speed, distance, time, and calories burned in real time. The two-ways control speed either through the button on the treadmill or the remote control offers added convenience during workouts. Despite its powerful 2.5 GP motor, the UREVO treadmill operates quietly, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. The non-assembly design and foldable feature make storage a breeze, saving valuable space when not in use. I found the foldable design and transportation wheels to be especially practical for moving the treadmill around. Overall, the UREVO folding treadmill has exceeded my expectations with its compact size, functionality, and user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to my home gym setup. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.